In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit two clips together using a video editing app. And I'm going to use CapCut. I really like CapCut. Go to a new project and select the clips that you shot. And I use the two clips where I'm wearing blue. Add it to your timeline. Make sure they're in the order that you want. I shot them with different framing and different backgrounds to avoid a jump cut, so it would look like a smooth transition. So I'm going to trim the first clip and start it where I start speaking. This is my first clip that I want to join to. There's also some dead air at the end that I want to trim off. So to trim it, I select it and then I slide that thick vertical bar to the part where I start speaking. You can see it, my mouth opens, that's where I start. So let's listen in. This is my first clip that I want to join to. And this is the end of the clip that I want to trim it to. So I'm going to slide that thick vertical line until I stop speaking. Perfect. Let's listen to make sure this is what I want. This is my first clip that I want to join to. That's great. So now I'm moving on to the second clip, and I'm going to trim the second clip using the same method. This clip, my second clip. Using those thick vertical lines, I'm going to slide the bar until I start speaking. And it looks like I'm going to speak right here. This clip, my second clip. So that's where I wanted to start the clip, and now I'm going to trim the end of the clip just to tighten things up. So I use the same method, take that thick vertical bar, and then I will slide it to where I want to end the clip. Now that I've trimmed the end, let's play the entire thing back. This is my first clip that I want to join to. This clip, my second clip. Awesome. So I'm going to get rid of this CapCut video at the end just by deleting the clip. And here's another little trick. In the clip where I was standing further away, it was a little softer. So by hitting the volume feature, I boosted it up just a little bit so that the audio, the volume will stay consistent between the clips. Export the video in the highest resolution that you can. It'll save the video to your phone. So I'm going to check to make sure that the entire video turned out just right. This is my first clip that I want to join to. This clip, my second clip. And that's how you edit two video clips together using CapCut. Please give this video some love if you loved it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how you can boost your video confidence with me, Felicia Yap. Thanks so much for watching.